Looking for fresh, high-quality fruits and vegetables directly from farms? Souvenir Group of Companies sources premium produce from trusted farmers across Pakistan, ensuring freshness from the very beginning. With our own facilities, potato and PP bags factories in Dipalpur, a mandarin processing unit in Balwal, an onion packing facility in Karachi, and a mango packing factory in Multan, we maintain strict quality control at every stage. Our products are carefully selected, graded, and packed according to international standards, then exported to our own branches across the Gulf region. With a strong supply chain and commitment to excellence, we ensure reliable delivery and consistent freshness. We handle everything from bulk supply programs to dedicated full container shipments tailored to your business needs with speed and reliability. Souvenir Group of Companies, your trusted partner in fresh produce. For orders and inquiries, contact +92 337 800 0210.